We're now in the center of the world, and we're about to go see the toilet flushing at different parts of the universe. And if you look right here,
this is the big toilet plunger.
this is the big plunger.
Can you want to stand by the plunger, Bart?
This is the big plunger in the center of the world.
I can actually play this plunger.
At the top there is a thumb. The thumbs are the most energetic points or bodies. So the indigenous people, they were taking energy of their sun god with their thumbs up. So do you like to put your thumbs in this way to get energy?
I feel it.
Okay.
I feel it. Feel this.
I do right here. I feel the energy.
Yeah?
Want a picture here?
I'd like to get a picture of Henry Winkler.
We have a gnomon. This is a stone we call gnomon, and many years ago was used as an agricultural calendar. With this stone, the indigenous people, they knew when was the harvest time for them.
Smile. Here, everybody, you're in a good position there.
The sun is kind of...
For real? Thumbs up to get the energy. Oh yeah.
Get your energy.
Wait, you forgot the thumb. You gotta go thumb.
Your thumbs up.
Zero.
Zero.
We're at zero. 0.00.
That's great.
Excellent.
0.00.
The first experiment to prove you're in the middle of the earth is about the Coriolis forces. Coriolis, he was a French mathematician who studied the movement of the water and the movement of the wind according with the rotation movement of the earth. So when the earth is rotating, the earth is producing two forces, centrifugal forces. Both forces born from the middle of the earth, but one goes to the south and another goes to the north. So if you'll see the south is going clockwise. If you'll see the north is going counterclockwise. It's amazing because it's the same movement but takes two different directions. And those forces are producing tornadoes, hurricanes, twisters, typhoons, ocean currents. But when both forces crash against the polos and come back to the equator, both collide and cancel each other out. So here in the middle of the earth, we have influence of the centrifugal forces, and we are going to see how the water goes straight down here on the equator. Ecuador is in the middle of the both hemispheres and between of the meridians too. Right here we have the Greenwich meridian, and right here we have the primary meridian. And 90 degrees we have in the Galapagos Islands, which is part of Ecuador. It will go 90 degrees more, we can find just water. 90 degrees more, we have water. Right here we have water, and right here is Ecuador. Right here we are going to see how the water goes straight down. It is the main part of this experiment, right on the equator. Then I'm going to move this thing to the south and to the north, and it's going to be just an example, because it is a short distance to see the natural forces. And look at the leaves, watch the leaves. Can you see? Right? Look at that. It's no whirlpool, it's no swirls. It's going just straight down because we are on the equator. Now I'm going to move the thing to the south and to the north, and I'm going to make just a demonstration, right? It's a short distance. It's impossible to see the... The water was still moving, and that helps to see the whirlpool. In the south, the water goes in this way, clockwise. Just remember, it is an example. Now we can move now.
Well, the toilet's not jet, so we can...
I'm doing a movie, please come on. As you can see, the water is still moving, so that helps to see the whirlpool. If the water is totally calm or still the water, perhaps we don't have whirlpools in this short distance. Just remember, it is a demonstration. It is the way how the water goes in the northern hemisphere. Can you feel much closer to your thumb? Is that normal? The little tornado backwards. Inverse tornado, whatever.
Where?
Right there?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. We don't normally have that little tornado at home, I don't know.
Yes, we do.
Here we go.
Yeah.
You like unplug the bathtub, you see.
Sometimes it's not possible to see these, you know, the Coriolis effects in your toilets or in your sink. That depends of the plumbing.
Lucky to be here. Be careful.
I'm careful.
No.
And everybody's gonna be jealous in your country because your weight is less here in the middle.
That's kind of what she's going for right now.
Well, you can balance the egg on the nail here in the middle of the earth because here the gravity is less and the centrifugal forces are cancel each other on the line. We don't have influence of the forces and everything goes straight down. In this case, the yolk is straight dispersion. Sure, do you like to try? Do you like to balance the egg on the nail? If you balance the egg, you get a teeth.
I'll do it. I'll balance an egg.
There you go.
Okay, feels heavy.
It's a stone.
Because it's a brown egg.
Weebles wobble.
But they don't fall down. Wait, don't want to forget.
The Andy on this tour to make it a little bit better, you know what I'm saying?
Upping the Andy.
If we get a dozen more of these, I'm going home.
Sorry. Sorry.
And
You're cracking yourself up.
It's your turn now.
Go Lisa. Go Lisa. Go Lisa.
She can't do it.
No one can.
Can.
Yeah, that's it. That's good.
There you go.
Song about eggs.
Let go.
Set on a nails. What rhymes with that?
Just move the egg
Toreador.
little by little.
I didn't understand what you were saying about the egg. I think that we got our signal scrambled up.
Someone hit him on the back of the head.
What kind of egg is it? Is it real? Does it feels heavy? Ugh.
Just a little bit of a little.
I might slap you tomorrow, but it's funny.
Don't worry, I'll speed this up when we put it on the
Thank you.
DVD.
Yeah, I'm bored with this already. Once upon a time in Peru, we had an egg with nothing to do. Although we're not in Peru.
Here's the thing, Lisa, if you get this, you get the immunity belt tonight. We won't kick you off the we won't kick you off the trip.
When's our flight back?
No, Lisa likes to sing.
Excellent.
Okay, now I need a volunteer for my next experiment. Who likes to be my volunteer, please?
Fart volunteers.
To open your fingers, but you have to keep them this way harder as you can. You have to resist. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
I don't get it. What's happening?
Okay, very good. No, keep your arms like this. I'm going to try to pull down your arms. You have to keep it like this harder. Opposite the other way. Yes.
Don't put on your pants.
1, 2, 3. Okay, very good. Let's go on the line. We have to be on the.
Betsy's gonna be able to go on the line. She's gonna yank them down with no trouble.
Will the pants come have this on video, Dave?
Yep, we're getting on video. Let's watch him yank you.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, 1, 2, and 3.
Oh my God!
What's your?
Were you not doing as hard?
2, 3.
You little pussy.
It's a gravity thing. Yes, it's a gravity.
I don't get it. Is the world's gravitational pull less?
What's the cash?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah!
On the line.
Try hard, Amy.
1, 2, 3.
It really, you can't pull it. You can't pull it together.
You can.
What's the explanation? Not that tall.
1, 2, and 3. Oops, sorry.
Yeah, you can't like. You lose all of your ability to.
What's the explanation?
Okay, it's.
Wait, it's not working.
It's hard to believe, you know. It's a short distance.